Hey everyone, I'm down here in historic downtown Winter Garden today in the beautiful town of Winter Garden. And that is going to be about 25 minutes northwest of downtown Orlando. This area is a really cool area to come down to, and it's very walkable. A lot of people will ride their bikes, they'll bring their golf carts, and just come down and have some drinks, get some food, enjoy a great evening. We're going to do a walking tour right now and kind of show you what it's all about. So come on, let's take a look. Okay, we are starting on the far west end of Plant Street in the historic downtown Winter Garden area. You've got some private residences here, 3-story townhouses set up here, a couple of private single-family home residences over on that side. But where we're going is this direction here. So as we walk down Plant Street, we're going to walk on the right-hand side, and then we'll circle back around on the left-hand side to kind of get the whole area for you, just to kind of make it a little bit of a more detailed tour. But starting here on the right is one of our big areas here on Plant Street, and that is going to be the Plant Street Market. This is kind of like a little food hall. You've got all kinds of different little restaurants in there, a couple bars, as well as some other little goodies. You have a butcher in there as well. But as you kind of look down here to the right, you can kind of see there's a lot of outdoor seating down through here, as well as a couple different entrances along the way, okay? Here you have BurgerFi right across from Plant Street Market. Make some good burgers in there. BurgerFi is pretty good if you've not been. I'm a fan. And then right next to that, you have Matthews Steakhouse. Matthews Steakhouse is a little bit nicer, a little bit higher end steakhouse. Great addition here in historic downtown Winter Garden, but a great spot to come get a good meal. Now this whole area is very walkable. It's also biker friendly, bicycle friendly. A lot of people will come down and ride their bikes down through the middle of Plant Street. There's a bike path / walking path through the middle, as well as on each side we have sidewalks. Some people will come down here after riding their bikes or running or walking along the West Orange Trail, which is not far from here either. So just know that that is very accessible for bicycles as well as walkable. As we move forward here, we're going to be passing City Hall for Winter Garden. This is the Winter Garden City Hall building here. It's a pretty building. I'll give you a good look at it here. Okay. And as we continue along our way here, we're going to come up on one of the other staples here, going to be Foxtail Coffee. Foxtail Coffee is a very popular spot here. A lot of people come in and sit down to do some work here, meet with others here, just enjoy. You also got a spot right there called Live Trends. You also have Kelly's Homemade Ice Cream in here to kind of give you a little rundown of what this all is here. But Foxtail Coffee Company is one of the big spots here. So right here beyond Foxtail Coffee Company, are coming up on Apricot Lane Boutique. Okay. And then right beyond that, you have the Hangry Bison. The Hangry Bison is a popular spot here as well. Great food, great drinks. It's a cool place to come hang out. Serve bourbon. A lot of really good dishes here. Has some outdoor seating as well as plenty of indoor seating. But again, it's a great spot to come hang and just enjoy a drink and or beverage. And look here, again, it's the Hangry Bison. Really cool spot. Nice little green space here, some different activities. We're coming up on an area here where they have the farmers market. And the farmers market is held down here every Saturday from 8 o'clock in the morning until 1 in the afternoon. Now with the farmers market, they have all different types of vendors here. You're gonna have local produce, you're gonna have home goods, you're gonna have art, you're gonna have little jewelry making. You have all different types of different things, and a lot of times different little events and stuff for the kids, as well as pet items. It's just a whole conglomerate of a lot of different things. And that's held right here in this kind of general area and kind of spread throughout this little historic downtown Winter Garden area. Here you have the fountains, this interactive fountains. And this is just a spot where little kids can come up and run around in the fountains and get some water. So we're gonna head on by beyond that. And while we continue, another thing to mention, you just saw a golf cart drive by. We are also in the golf cart district. So a lot of people drive the golf carts down here to come down and grab, something to eat or walk around or catch an event or something like that. So you'll see a lot of golf carts down here as well from the local area, from the different neighborhoods and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Now, as we come along here, you'll see that we are coming up on the theater on the right-hand side. Theater here is really cool. It's old historic theater, of course. But they show movies, they have different plays and different things, different shows going on at different times here. Right now they've got E.T., they've got Finding Nemo, they've got Raiders of the Lost Ark going on. And then as you kind of continue on down through here, you're gonna have Axum Coffee, you're gonna have Pillars. Pillars is just another spot to kind of grab some food and drink. And then Axum Coffee is a cool little coffee house here. Then you are coming up on Urban on Plant, and that's just a little kitchen and bar. As you can see, there's more seating down here, kind of in the shade. You've got Silver Shickle down there. You're gonna have some shops down Boyd Street down here as well, and also in the side streets. This will just kind of take you down. There's also public parking back down through here, but you're gonna have the flip-flop shops down here and a couple other places as you go a little bit further down. We won't go down all the side roads here, but just know that there's more than just Plant Street. Plant Street's the primary spot though. Here you've got Vintage Sky Salon. Then you got Try and Run on West Orange. And it's gonna just be a little shop. Clothing, hats, socks, running shoes, little running shop. You got Harold's Hot Dogs and Cold Cones here. You got gelato here at Way Chocolate and Coffee. As well as Driftwood Market, which is just kind of a little local home goods and trinkets and gifts, apparel, different things like that, local art. Then you've got another available space here, which isn't very common. A lot of times there aren't any open spaces here. This is the Shoo Shoo Baby Boutique. This is a cool and cute little bookstore here called Writer's Block Bookstore. They have a kids room that they have open as well, which is really nice. But it's just a cool little old school bookstore. Really cool. Then you've got Attic Door here. It's a wine bar, and they've got live music. Bistro Wine Shop next door. And then you've got a tax service place here. And then you've got Moon Cricket Grill sitting down here near the end. Another place you just come get some food and drinks. They do have some outdoor seating set up out here. There's also a 4th of July event going on down here this weekend. So that'll be cool. This is Three Birds Cafe here on the corner. And this is kind of close to the start of the east end of the historic district. Okay, and again, as you can see, there's a lot more shops down this way here on South Main Street, as well as some more public parking and stuff like that. All the way down through there, you'll find different shops and different venues. So if you go across on the other side, you're going to cross over and you'll come up on Tony's Liquor. It's also a bar here. You can walk all the way, as I was saying, you can walk all the way down the main strip here via that little walkway or bike trail. And when you come up here, we're going to just walk a little bit ways down this way to show you the other side of Plant Street. The side we were just on is the busier, more, I guess we'll call it the populated side. Coming up here on Thai Blossom Restaurant. Nice little Thai restaurant on here. And it's connected, of course, to the historic Edgewater Hotel. So this is a hotel that's down here. It's an old historic hotel. It was established in 1927. They have an ice cream shop in here, barber shop in here, as well as the chef's table. And it's a little tasting room. This is the chef's table right here. And then this is the overall Edgewater Hotel. Kind of a cool, neat little part of history here in historic downtown Winter Garden. Next, we're going to come up on Wheelworks. Wheelworks is a bicycle shop or a cycle shop here. A lot of the people that are riding on the West Orange Trail and come down through here after a ride or before a ride might swing in here, pick up anything they need, get their bike service worked on, stuff like that. But it's a full service bike shop. Really cool. Kind of see what you got here. They also sell bikes. Continuation here is where the actual shop is. Then you got the boutique on Plant. You got Plantation Jewelers. You got Heirloom Amish Furniture Market and more. Gonna have a lot of different furniture, indoor, outdoor, different things, some foods, some jams, jellies. It's an Amish furniture market and more. Then you've got the Ancient Olive, which is really cool. They've got a bunch of different vinegars, oils, spices, and things like that. And then you come to one of my favorite spots here is the Whole Enchilada. The Whole Enchilada is a really cool Mexican food. Fresh Mexican grill, and they have a rooftop bar. But it's really, really good, really tasty, really fresh. The rooftop bar is cool to go sit and hang out when it's comfortable out. And they have TVs up there, and just kind of have some drinks and kind of enjoy the atmosphere, especially when you come down here at night. This is really active at night. It's lit up nicely. So really cool spot to come. And then lastly here where we'll stop is a little French cafe called Rosalie. And it's a coffee, tea, and pastry shop. They have gourmet sandwiches and different things like that as well. A little bit of outdoor seating, as well as some indoor seating here. It's a really cute and quaint little spot here. Okay. All right, everyone, I hope that was helpful. I hope you got some good insight as to what is available to you down here on Plant Street in historic downtown Winter Garden. It's a really cool spot. I can't say that enough. Definitely come down and check it out if you're in the area. Or if you have questions, feel free to reach out. Let us know how we can help and any questions we might be able to answer for you. Thank you and have a great day.